Coming in first place, Hayden and Sara. After winning the 48-hour challenge, Sara was feeling pretty chuffed with herself last week.
I did some amazingness.
I did the shopping trip of a lifetime.
Awesome.
I'm going to blow everyone's minds. Wow. Wow. Wow.
But going from top of the leaderboard to the bottom has taken its toll. And it's caused tension between the husband and wife team.
Hayden's taking on board everyone else's opinion except for our own. Yeah. And it's actually quite intense. Oh, mate. Oh.
Not able to speak to Hayden, she reaches out to anyone who'll listen.
Whatever I choose is like, why did you choose this?
And that anyone just happens to be a lady who sells wallpaper.
You're doing the best thing that you can right now, so you're just taking a moment.
Yeah. I feel like I'm just constantly drowning.
I know, that's all right. We'll just bring it together and then you'll take a breath week to week, right?
Yeah, I know, but I also have to try and start thinking ahead.
Ahead a bit, yeah.
Which is hard.
That's all right. I know, babe, I know.